morning, students. In your quadrilateral chapter, in this chapter we completed this practice set 37, and in this practice set 38 we have studied two examples. Practice set 38. In this first question we studied these two examples. Name the pairs of opposite angles and name the pairs of these opposite sides. Firstly, you draw here quadrilateral XYZW. XYZW. In this first question, this third one example, name the pairs of adjacent sides. Name the pairs of adjacent sides. See here adjacent sides which have a common vertex. Then you start from suppose WX right here. Here four pairs of these adjacent sides. Side WX and XY. And XY. Adjacent sides means the sides which have a common vertex. Here in WX and XY, here common vertex X. Then second one, side XY and YZ. XY and YZ. Third one, side YZ and ZW. Then fourth one, side ZW and WX. These four pairs of these adjacent sides which have a common vertex. Then fourth one, name the pairs of adjacent angles. Name the pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means here which have a common arm. Arm means side. Then you write here pairs of these adjacent angles. Here four pairs of these adjacent angles. Angle X and angle Y. X and angle Y. Then angle Y and angle Z. Again angle Z and angle W. And angle W and angle X. These four pairs of these adjacent angles. Then next one, name the diagonals of this quadrilateral. Fifth one question, name the diagonals of quadrilateral. Diagonals of this quadrilateral. Then diagonal here X, Z and WY. You join these vertices of these opposite sides, and here diagonals XZ and WY. XZ and WY. Then sixth one question, write the name of the quadrilateral in different ways. Means in this first one question, this sixth one example, write the name of the quadrilateral. Write the name of the quadrilateral in different ways. in different ways. Means you write here 8 types of these quadrilateral names. Means anti-clockwise 4 and anti-clockwise 4 types and clockwise 4 times. Means here total 8 types of these. You read these quadrilateral X, Y, Z, W. Then starts from this W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Quadrilateral again. X, Y, Z, W. Again quadrilateral Y, Z, W, X. And quadrilateral again Z, W, X, Y. Y. This anti-clockwise. Then clockwise starts from any vertex. Suppose Y. Y, X, W, Z. Y, X, W, Z. Then quadrilateral X, W, Z, Y. X, W, Z, Y. Then quadrilateral W, Z, Y, X. W, Z, Y, X. And quadrilateral this Z, Y, X, W. Z, Y, X, W. Clockwise 4 types of this quadrilateral and anti-clockwise 4 types. Then this first one in this practice set 38, this first one example completed. Then see this second one. In the table below write the number of sides the polygon has. Page number 86. See in your textbook second question. Here names given polygons, quadrilateral, octagon, pentagon, heptagon and hexagon. Then number of sides you write here. In quadrilateral how many sides? 4. Then you write here answer 4. Octagon 8. Pentagon 5. Heptagon 7. Hexagon 6. In homework you in your notebook draw this column and complete this. Okay. Then third one question you see here. Look for examples of polygons in your surrounding. In your surrounding you look for examples of these polygons and you draw them. Means you draw this figure of this. Suppose in example of this flower. Means here 5 petals of this flowers. Pentagon this figure. Then you draw in your notebook. Then fourth one question see. We see these polygons when we join the tips of petals of various flowers. Draw these polygons and write the number of sides of each polygon. You draw this picture of these petals of these flowers and you write here polygons how many number of sides. Then fifth one see. Draw any polygon and divide it into triangular parts as shown here. Thus work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. See this figure and you this draw any polygon and this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides means this figure is hexagon. Adjoining polygon is divided into 4 triangles. See here this polygon is divided into how many triangles? 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Then the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is, the sum of the measures of a one triangle is 180 degree. Then here how many triangles are formed? 4. Then you write here answer 180 into 4 means answer is here 720 degree. Means the measure of this whole polygon figure is how many? This 720 degree. So the sum of the angles of the given polygon is, polygon this figure is hexagon. Then this figure hexagon measure of this is 720. In homework also you complete this. Fifth one, right answer here. Second, third, fourth. In homework you complete this. Fifth one. See this question. Draw any polygon and divide into triangular parts. Work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. You write adjoining polygon is divided into 4 triangles. How many triangles? 4 triangles. Then the sum of the measures of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the measures of the triangle is 180 degree. Then here 4 triangles are formed. Then 180 into 4 is equal to 720. Then below answer right. So the sum of the angles of the given polygon is 720. Okay. In homework you complete this. Then here your quadrilateral this chapter completed. In homework you complete this practice set 38 and send me homework. Okay. Bye.